Hello humble bakers. So samahan nyo akong gumawa ng banana loaf and fruit cake. So lahat ng yan, that's 24 pieces fruit cakes and 10 pieces banana loaf. So binake ko lang yan in less than 2 hours gamit yung Unox oven. So tara. So first, ginawa muna ako ng fruit cake. So inabot ako dyan siguro ng mga 30 to 45 minutes. That's 24 pieces na fruit cakes. And then gamit yung Unox na oven, actually kasya dito yung 48 pieces, pero 24 lang yung sinalang ko. For 45 minutes, binake ko siya at 155 degrees Celsius. So ganun siya kabilis. And then after nyan, sinalang ko naman yung ginawa ko na banana loaf. 10 pieces lang yung sa recipe ko and kasya dun sa stand mixer, kaya 10 pieces lang yung ginawa ko. Yan naman, binake ko yan at approximately 135 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. So by the way, hindi ako nagro-rotate ng pans. Even naman yung baking. So what I'm doing is nagle-lessen ako ng temperature and gumagamit ako ng zero fan sa Ariana LED. Kung ang gamit nyo naman is Ariana manual, or kung gagamitin ko yung Ariana manual, naglalagay ako ng air reductor tapos nagbabawas pa ako ng temperature para hindi na siya kailangan i-rotate. Yan o, tingnan nyo. That's 24 pieces na fruit cakes and 10 pieces na banana loaf in less than 2 hours. Sobrang ganda talaga ng Unox, diba? Don't forget to like and share this video. Yun lang, salamat!